Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We had been speaking about so many meetings and exercises recently, but this video will provide details about one of the most anticipated meetings which everyone is very much excited about. The meeting which I'm talking about here is the Moscow format, which is going to be held on October 20, 2021. So what is so special about it? The most exciting thing is the participation of India and the Taliban leaders in this. To be more precise, the Ministry of External Affairs revealed that India will be participating in the Moscow format meeting that will be attended by the Taliban. The Moscow format, scheduled on October 20, 2021, is likely to witness the participation of representatives from other countries such as Iran, Pakistan, and China. The Moscow format is a negotiation mechanism which was established in 2017 to address Afghanistan issues. It includes Afghanistan, China, Pakistan, Iran, India, and other countries. The Indian representatives will get a chance to come face to face with the members of the terrorist group Taliban after it seized power in Afghanistan. As per the different sources, a high-level delegation of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, led by the Deputy Prime Minister Abdul Salam Hanafi, will be present for the meeting in Moscow. The plan to have this particular meeting is to hold negotiations with representatives of different nations on several issues and seeking their cooperation on issues which has mutual interests and trade during this particular diplomatic visit. So let's expect India to become part of any type of assistance, both for infrastructure as well as for humanitarian purpose. India's willingness to continue to stand by the Afghan people can be boosted with this particular meeting. I'll upload more videos on this topic post the Moscow format meeting to update on the outcome. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.